Are you looking at your roof as an expense or as an asset? When you see your energy bills climb in the summer, do you assume it's just the cost of doing business, or can you recognize a failing system? In this video, we're breaking down the logic of R-value, Today, we're defining R-value. It's a term you'll see on every quote, but understanding the math behind it is what separates a bad repair from a strategic investment. From a life cycle perspective, R-value is simply the measure of thermal resistance. The higher the R-value, the more heat flow is restricted. According to the Department of Energy, proper insulation is the most effective way to manage a building's climate. But here's the logic most people miss. R-value isn't permanent. So this is an example of our polyiso board. This being 1.5 inches thick, it's going to have a rough R value right around an R9. Now, this is a closed cell foam typically used in commercial or just flat roof projects in general. And it does well with water, but like all other forms of insulation, it will lose its value as it gets wet. A little wet, this is going to hold up great, which is why it's so popular in commercial applications. But when saturated, even though it is a closed cell foam, it can lose up to 40 to 50% of its R value if exposed to long periods of moisture. And always remember that your insulation is your first line of defense when it comes to your cooling and heating bills, protecting excess moisture from penetrating through your building. So if you're a facility manager or building owner interested in making sure that your building is performing optimally, make sure you have the right insulation to get you through this year. When your roof fails to resist heat, your HVAC system has to bridge the gap. We don't just want to keep your building dry, but we want to protect your operational budget. At Equity, we use structured data to find the sweet spot for your facility, where the cost of added insulation is fully offset by energy savings and equipment longevity. It's about building a system that pays you back. A roof is a 20-year liability or a 20-year asset. Let's make sure yours is the latter. Contact us today for a professional assessment of your facility's thermal performance. I'm Kevin with Equity Commercial Roofing. Let's get to work.